Look here, Nana. This is the cone. This is the cone, Nana. This is the cone. Okay? Here. In the cone, Nana, here particle is there. Once again I repeat. This is the particle, Nana. This particle is at height h. Particle is at height h from vertex of the cone. Particle is at height h from the this is the particle, Nana. Particle is at height h from vertex, Nana. Here, Nana, the particle. Here cone rotate, Nana, with the axis. Particle also rotate. Look here, Nana. Cone rotate. This particle also rotate in the circular path. This circular path radius is r. Circular path radius is r, Nana. Okay. This angle also given theta. Look here, all of you. Here, Nana, this particle touches the surface. Particle says a action, floor says a opposite reaction. Look here, Nana. Floor says a opposite reaction. This opposite reaction is called normal reaction. This normal reaction always perpendicular to the surface. Look here, Nana. Here I take one vertical line. This line parallel. Once again repeat. This line parallel. This angle is given theta. This angle also theta. Interior angle equal to exterior angle. We know that normal reaction always perpendicular to surface. Simply here to here the angle is 90 degrees. This angle is theta. Automatically this angle is 90 minus theta. Okay, Nana? 90 minus theta. Here, Nana, here. End result. Look here. Nana, this is y-axis, this is x-axis. This angle is theta. Look here. Nana, because here to here total angle 90. The 90 minus theta, remaining is theta. We know the resolving n makes an angle theta. This component is n cos theta. This component is n sin theta. Once again I repeat, here n resolved into two components. One is n cos theta, other one is n sin theta. Okay, look here. This is the cone. Here particle is there. Particle is at height from vertex is h. Particle here. Cone rotate, automatically particle also rotate. Its radius is given. Particle moving the circular path. Circular path radius is given r. In the situation, this angle also given theta. Here, body says a action, floor says a opposite reaction. This is n. This angle theta, here, this one parallel, this angle also theta. Automatically this angle theta, because between these 90 minus theta, this one 90 degrees, automatically this is theta. We know that resolution angle says cos theta, n cos theta. This is n sin theta. Here weight always vertically downwards. Particle weight is mg. According to equilibrium condition, upward force balances by downward force. N sin theta equal to mg. Equation number 1. Here n sin theta, this is the circular path towards the center. Simply n cos theta provides a centripetal force. Yesterday I discussed centripetal force 3 formulas. One is mv square by r, another one is mr omega square. Here angular velocity is determined, that's why I write mr omega square. Equation number 2. In the situation, equation 1 by equation 2, look all of you, overall linear velocity determined. For example, n cos theta provides a centripetal force. Centripetal force in terms of velocities, the formula is mv square by r. Omega determined, write mr omega square. V determined mv square by r. In the situation, write equation 1 by equation 2. Nana Harshavardhan, look here. In the equation 1, n cancel. Sin theta by cos theta write as tan theta. Sin by cos, tan. M cancel. Neatly write as gr by v square. According to diagram, tan theta opposite by adjacent side. What is the opposite side? R. What is the adjacent side? H. R by H. Simply gr by v square. R cancel. Neatly write as here cross multiply. V square equal to gh. V equal to under root gh. This is the velocity of the particle. The particle is at height h from the vertex. What is the velocity of the particle? Is at height enta h from vertex and V ki formula enti under root gh. V indicate velocity of particle is at height h from vertex. What is the formula for velocity of particle? Under root gh. Look here. Conical pendulum, very important. Conical pendulum. Here, this is the string, this is the bob. This is the string, this is the bob. In the situation, it pulled a side and it makes a horizontal circle. Look here now. It makes a horizontal circle. Look here in this situation. This is because of it horizontal circle, it will be rotate. The pendulum rotate. Horizontal circle. It will look like a cone. So that's why look like a cone. That's why it is called conical pendulum. Its radius of the circular path is r. Length of the string is L. It makes an angle with vertical is theta. String makes an angle theta with vertical. Okay, this is the data. In the situation, find time period of the conical pendulum. This is the question. Harshavardhan, Ahi Krishna, Mithil, Taha, Tasim. Look here. In the situation to determine time period, look here, Nana. Here, Nana. This is the string. String inside force is tension. Tension always body ke ela untadi away. ORR fixed point ke ela untadi towards. Look here. Here in the situation, this angle theta, this angle also theta. It resolve T cos theta. Here. Look here now. Angle says T cos theta. This component is T sin theta. Once again I repeat. T resolve in two components. One is T cos theta, another one is T sin theta. Bob weight always vertically downwards. Okay? Here, look here. According to equilibrium condition, T cos theta balances the weight. Equation number 1. In the situation, T sin theta towards the center, it provides a centripetal force. Centripetal force formula mr omega square over mv square by r. Okay, here equation 2 by equation 1. Look here now. Equation 2 by equation 1 simply sin by cos. Look here. Sin theta by cos theta. Right side. 2 by 1 m cancel. Finally write r omega square by g. But that diagram, according to this diagram, look here now. This is theta, opposite side, hypotenuse side. Here, sin theta is, opposite side is r, hypotenuse side is l. Opposite by hypotenuse r by l. According to this situation, r equal to L sin theta. Look here, Nana, all of you. Here substitute. Here radius substitute. R value L sin theta. Omega square by G. Left side sin theta by cos theta. Here sin theta cancel. Finally, look here now. Look here. Omega square here. L by G other side. G by L. G by L. Here cos theta is there. This is omega square. What is the formula for angular velocity or angular frequency of the conical pendulum? Here Bob makes horizontal oscillations. Horizontal circle, it like a cone, it look like a cone, so this pendulum is called conical pendulum. Here, what is the formula for angular velocity? Under root G by L cos theta. Next, to determine time period. Time period formula is 2 pi by omega. Look here, 2 pi, okay. Here, omega, here right. Omega right, it will be reverse, Nana. Under root L cos theta by G. This is the formula for time period of the conical pendulum. What is the formula of time period of the conical pendulum? Under root 2 pi, under root L cos theta by G. Important. Only formula is important. What is the formula for time period of the conical pendulum? 2 pi under root L cos theta by G. Write down all. Velocity of bob of the conical pendulum. This is the next question. Find velocity of the bob. Okay. Look here now. In the situation P cos theta balances the weight, equation number 1. Here to find the velocity T sin theta towards the center in the circular path. Towards the center is called centripetal force. Centripetal force in terms of velocity mv square by r. Equation number 2. Okay. Here nana equation 2 by equation 1. Look here now. In the situation 2 by 1 sin by cos tan theta. Look here. T cancel. Here m cancel. Finally we get 2 by 1 tan theta formula V square by Rg. Okay, V square by Rg. But I take the diagram nana. Look here. This string length is L, circular path radius is R. According to Pythagoras theorem, right angle triangle is there. We apply Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. L square, side square plus side square. Finally we get L square minus R square. Once again I repeat. Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. Side square means hypotenuse square means minus side square. Okay. Here none. Hypotenuse side. Here this is the theta. In the situation, look here. Tan theta. Tan means opposite by adjacent side. Opposite side is R. Adjacent side is under root L square minus R square. Right side V square by Rg. Here denominator other side numerator. Neatly write as V square equal to. Look here Nana. R into R square G by L square minus R square under root. Okay, square other side 1 by 2. Look here. V equal to R. G power 1 by 2. Square other side 1 by 2. Here L square minus R square whole power 1 by 4. This is the formula for speed of the bob in the conical pendulum. Speed of the bob in the conical pendulum.